You know, the lighted mirrors, I think they're perfect. I was really surprised that they were a metal product and not a plastic. I really like that. Good durability.
I absolutely love everything. I've always loved all your products, lighting, and now with the rooftop tent. I think it's amazing. I love it all.
I love the brand. I use them every day. I actually drive in the night every single day with them. Very bright, very great to see. It illuminates the street lights. The LEDs are what I use, headlights and fog lights, my Mustang GT.
This light is the same as this one?
Yes.
And you've got amber that runs around the south side?
Yes.
Amber that runs around here.
There you go.
It's crazy bright. So, Novsight, what made you want to get into off-road lighting?
为什么你会想做这个 off-road 的 lighting？
早期的时候，early years， 我们是以这个汽车照明为主的。对。但是呢，就是说我们自己，就是我们核心团队，包括我自己，是很喜欢越野和 overlanding 这个方向的。所以我们在这个过程中，其实也发现了一些产品的一些问题和一些客户的需求。那我们自身是有这个产品能力的，所以我们应用自己的供应链产品能力和设计能力，就在这个 overlanding 和 off-road 这个方向去开发了一系列产品，去解决这些我们看到的一些问题。当然就是主要还是就是我们自己热爱这个方向。
From my experience, I've run a lot of different lights, rigid lights, Baja design. When I got the first 3-inch Cyber 1 series, opened the box, I said, this is one of the best looking lights. Yeah. So how did you come up with the design? Like, what was your idea to say, I want the light to look like this?
因为我们自己其实也是被很多欧美文化熏陶的，对吧？包括就是从小会看一些机甲相关的这种动漫电影包括这个好莱坞的很多电影。那其实自己的风格、自己这个偏好也是那个方向，所以我们想要做一款 special 就不一样的，和其他的是不一样的，然后会更加贴近我们自己的审美的一个爱好，所以我们做了 Cyber Season in Future。就是我们因为本来 cyber 这个词也比较热嘛，而且我们也喜欢这个方向主要是这个设计灵感或者是来源全是这里。
So do you have any feedback, or should we focus on any product in the future? Anything you would like us to have or like develop? Anything?
It's hard to say. I've got an imaginary mind, so my creativity is like unlimited compared to some other people.
Sure.
So it's kind of hard for me to say you should have this or you shouldn't, because I want everything.
You want everything.
I want everything.
I really like your tent. That's one of the things that I want to, when I get back home, do some more looking at. I saw it on your website. I hadn't really got a chance to see it in person, but it looks like a really good quality, nice tent too.
And I personally have my Ranger. I have the fogs, the Novsight fog lights, and they've been fantastic. Haven't had any issues with them. I run with the yellow fog light covers, but I think it's cool that you can remove them and stuff like that, and haven't had any condensation or anything inside of them like I've had other brands in the past that I've used other brands and they end up getting condensation stuff inside.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's a nice footprint. It's actually very roomy inside, and you put your bikes on top, and it fits inside of its own footprint. The ladder is extremely sturdy for what you don't expect it to be that sturdy. So yeah, it's a great product. I mean, the rain fly would be really helpful and stuff. So anybody that's over here at the SEMA booth, come on over here. They're in 12223 in the North Hall. Novsight, beautiful product. Come check it out.
Well, I'm really looking forward to checking out the tent.
This is our new product.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to the rooftop tent, and I'm also looking forward to checking out the new halo lights. Those are pretty cool.
So, what's next for Novsight?
OK， 接下来就是会开发的方向的话，就是像off-road overlanding 的 front bumper， 包括我们也会再开发这个 power station and 这个水过滤器。因为我们知道就是 overlanding 这个方向的话，有很多吃住行的一些需求包括住就是这个 tent 那吃的话其实有和喝其实会有一些就是比如说那我没有办法去快速拿到瓶装水，那我们可能会有去就地去取一些水。那我们想要去开发一些就是相对来说会更加适合 overlanding 方向的一些水过滤的一些系统。
Do you mind giving us a little bit of your background, your YouTube channel? What do you do usually?
Sure, I specialize in the Ford Mustang, mostly the SN95 and New Edge, 94 to 2004 Mustangs. And so I do a lot of stories about cars and a lot of details about the cars, modification to my own cars. And yeah, the lights were one of the things I did on my channel. I have a YouTube video about these lights in my car and installing them and how much I like them.
Great, thank you, Justin, for visiting tonight. Just make sure you follow the YouTube channel, Justin SVT, and then thank you very much.
So I'm Gilly the Jeep on Instagram. I have a JLU. I have built my Jeep from the ground up with my dad. We wheel, we wrench, and I'm super excited to run your product on my Jeep.
So I do a lot of UTV and side-by-side overlanding and a lot of off-road stuff. Yeah, so YouTube channel is Rocky Mountain Backcountry.
Sure, make sure you follow it, okay? Thank you, Lenny.
So yeah, it's Outlandish Overland.
All right, so this YouTube channel.
Yeah.
So this is your YouTube channel, Romando. Make sure you follow it, okay?
Yeah.
Do you like it? I love it. Thank you for your feedback.